Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliet Migwi and I normally share with you my resin art. If this is your first time here, I hope you find this valuable. So please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on this or such videos. Today we are making this resin ball that you can use for in the kitchen as a vanity, you know, like on the console for your keys, in your room for your jewelry, for your rings, for nuts, in the kitchen, many ways you can use it. And so please check out my Instagram to see other surprising ways you can use this at Juliet Migwi Inspires, so that especially as a beginner, if you even just had this one mold, you will see how you can do many things. It's very versatile. So today we are making this bowl using this resin silicone mold. I love the pattern it has, and it seems not too hard to use, especially for a beginner, because it already has a pattern on it. You don't have to do much. It's just maybe mix colors, mix pigments, just find ways of doing it that works for you, especially if you are start. It's a very beginner friendly mold. We are also going to use some gold leaf for the edges, and I'll show you how we'll do that. And today we're going to use also alcohol inks, but we're using the gold base, you know. So this is gold, this is bronze gold, this is red gold, and this is rose gold. It's a very quick one to do, so keep watching. We mix the clear resin, I put my protective gear and show you how we do this. And sometimes you can use this with a base, not just on its own, with like a coaster base. So please check out the card above and you'll see the very lovely coasters or tray that we used that would be a base for this. You'll see it at the end of this video when we reveal it. And if you'd like to see how we make it, please check the card above. You can also check out how we made this other bowl. These are the type of bowl. Check the card above. So this mold is malleable enough, so we're going to turn it inside out. It's not too hard, just out. Because I don't want this gold leaf to go everywhere, I just wanted to put in this edge, and I'm hoping as I do that it won't stick everywhere else. So let's do this slowly. I think for me first, I want to cut this to smaller. I note that when I do this, it's usually easier to handle, especially when I don't want it to go everywhere. So let's cut this. See what I mean? Okay. At least using gloves, they don't stick too much, but you see what it's doing? It's giving me sort of bite size, I would say, gold leaf. Let's do this together like this. And I really love these tiny gold leaf sheets that are usually covered on both sides, because then they're less messy. They might not be as ideal when you're doing a big piece, but you also waste less. So let's see. Let's keep doing this. Okay, so there, I'm going in there. See what I mean? I'm putting it in at the edge, not going everywhere else. I like that. I know there might still be some everywhere else, but it's okay. You know, it's not, how do I say, a geometric, it's an abstract design. And I prefer having this on the inside because, especially if we are going to use it as a kitchen piece, because then it cures inside the resin. Oh, see how that is. So I'll finish it all around, then come with resin. All right, so here we are, just tapping in. Hopefully they don't float away, but at least they're at the border. Some have gone here, and you know, see how hard it is to remove. And sometimes you don't want to do that because you might scratch your mold, and if you scratch your mold, it takes away the shine, and the grooves in the mold normally appear in your product. And it's okay to have, the way I was saying, this is an abstract piece, so it's okay to have some of this. In fact, it helps for these not to just have a drastic, you know what, a drastic ending, you know, so it's more abstract. So let me bring the resin and we put the alcohol inks. You see how we do this. So now it's just turning this back inside out, trying not to let this spread. Turn it like this so it doesn't spread everywhere. And as you see, when you look at it, it's some parts have gotten, but it's okay. Some parts on the inside, like here, it has come, but I think it's okay. Let's see how it turns out in the end. Our bowl is ready. It's time to demold it and see how it turned out. I'm hoping it doesn't have too much bubbles inside, so I think the easiest way to do this, I'm hoping, is to roll it, but let's see how what works. Okay, all right. See, if you don't touch much, it doesn't stick to them. Oh, this is so stretchy in a nice way. Oh, nice. It's so stretchy nicely, so it's come out so easily. There we go. There we go. Here is our bowl. Look at that. You can see the different colors with this design. You can see the streaks. I can't wait to do the next one where I will actually mix the alcohol inks or the inks together so that they come in and then you see the design more defined. You can see some of this crackle kind of design. But I love this. I love the way it has done. I love the way the gold leaf is shining. You know, it's the king for this one. The gold leaf is shining. So wait for me to show you how we will style this or how we'll use this at the end of this video. So don't go yet. And if you like this and more of my videos, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my videos. And then to see more colors or different ways I use this, for example, for my beverage station videos on my Instagram and TikTok, please follow me at Juliet Migwi Inspires, because I show you different ways of using my products. God bless you, Barakatella. We'll see you on the next video.